12 plastic storage bins. Bins are all interchangeable and removable. Handles make it easy for an adult to lift and move as needed. Smart, sturdy construction. Packaged with detailed, step-by-step assembly instructions. 12 plastic storage bins, 3 red, 3 blue, 3 yellow and 3 green. Bins are all interchangeable. Smart, sturdy construction. Keeps bedrooms and playrooms neat and tidy. Perfect for families with multiple children. Top reviews from the United States. Finally, a solution for my son's Legos. My husband originally stored the Legos in a plastic bin with a lid and then complained that our son never played with them. I saw this in Parents Magazine and immediately bought it. Perfect solution for storing, and using, Legos. Price is right too.